Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade v SUV arrives as a bold statement of American luxury fused with unapologetic performance, redefining what a full-size luxury SUV can be in a world moving toward refinement and electrification while still craving raw power and presence. From the moment it rolls into view, the Escalade V commands attention with its massive grille, aggressive blacked-out accents, signature vertical LED lighting, and wider stance that signals this is not an ordinary family hauler but a performance flagship built to dominate highways and city streets alike. Under the hood lives a hand-built supercharged V8 that delivers explosive acceleration and a deep authoritative exhaust note that reminds you Cadillac still knows how to thrill enthusiasts, pushing this large SUV from a standstill with shocking speed while maintaining the smooth confidence expected from a luxury icon. Despite its size, the Escalade V feels surprisingly agile thanks to advanced magnetic ride control, adaptive air suspension, and a performance-tuned all-wheel drive system that delivers grip and stability in all driving conditions, whether cruising long desert roads or carving through mountain highways. Step inside and the cabin becomes a showcase of modern luxury, where premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and precision stitching surround you in a space that feels more like a high-end lounge than a vehicle interior. The massive curved OLED display stretches across the dashboard, blending digital gauges, navigation, and entertainment into a seamless visual experience that feels futuristic yet intuitive, while ambient lighting subtly enhances the atmosphere during night drives. Cadillac has also taken connectivity to the next level with advanced voice control, wireless smartphone integration, and a premium sound system engineered to deliver concert-level clarity even at highway speeds. Second and third row passengers are treated with generous legroom, luxury seating options, and rear entertainment features that make long journeys effortless and enjoyable, proving that performance does not have to come at the expense of comfort. Safety and driver assistance technologies play a major role in the 2026 Escalade V, with advanced systems that help manage its size while boosting driver confidence, including adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, automated parking, and enhanced camera views that provide a clear perspective of the surroundings. On the road, the Escalade V balances brute force with elegance, gliding smoothly over rough surfaces while instantly responding when the accelerator is pressed, delivering a driving experience that feels both commanding and refined. This SUV is designed for those who want the prestige of a luxury vehicle, the excitement of a high-performance machine, and the practicality of a full-size SUV without compromise. The 2026 model further refines this formula with subtle design updates, improved technology integration, and enhanced driving dynamics that keep the Escalade V ahead of competitors in the luxury performance SUV segment. Whether arriving at a high-profile event, embarking on a family road trip, or simply enjoying the thrill of a powerful engine beneath your right foot, the Escalade V delivers a sense of confidence and exclusivity that few vehicles can match. Cadillac has crafted an SUV that celebrates boldness, innovation, and heritage all at once, making the 2026 Escalade V not just a vehicle but a statement of success and individuality. For drivers who refuse to blend in and demand power, luxury, and presence in one commanding package, the 2026 Cadillac Escalade v SUV stands ready to exceed expectations and redefine what it means to drive a true luxury performance icon. We'll see you next video.